Well, hey everybody, it is Emily, and I am weighing in today on one of the top questions that I get here on the channel. And I know that because of all the views and all the folks who leave messages throughout the year regarding the big question when it comes to Matterport. Should I get a Pro 2 or should I get a Pro 3? And since there are going to be some big sales coming up because of the holidays and Black Friday, and folks are going to be making investments for their businesses in the coming year, I want to weigh in right now on which camera I think you should get. So these are the top questions. These are the 3 questions you need to be asking yourself. Number 1, is your business going to be growing in the next year? And are you going to need to be scanning faster, scanning more space, and doing bigger jobs and jobs that need higher accuracy and cover more space? And if the answer is yes, then that is a vote for the Pro 3, okay? If you think that your business is about the same, or maybe you're new to Matterport, or you live somewhere where $5,000 or north of $5,000 still seems like a ton of money to invest in your business, then my recommendation for you, unless you need to be doing a lot of outdoor scanning, is probably for you to pick up a Matterport Pro 2 or a used Matterport Pro 2 on eBay, or perhaps on the We Get Around Network forum, or some of the places where you can find really great cameras that may not have been used a lot for a little bit less money, like even maybe in the range of $1,000 US. So that is if you are okay taking a little bit more time, you don't need to go fast, and maybe you are okay with also having mostly indoor scans, right? So that's like the big question is, are you trying to grow your business? Are you trying to get bigger? Are you trying to go faster? Do you want to be able to use your camera for other purposes, like big, huge industrial or commercial or those kinds of things? And that's definitely a vote for the Pro 3. Now, the other consideration is we don't know where the hosting is going to end up in 2025 because of the potential merger with CoStar. So if you're new to Matterport cameras and new to the system, you should know that Matterport has been acquired, or is in the process of getting acquired, by a company called CoStar. So CoStar is potentially going to be changing, well, now that they're going to own Matterport, even as a subsidiary, even as its own entity within the corporation. They might make some changes to things like historical plans that they had with people for hosting. And so I would probably, if I were starting out brand new right now and I were starting out in my business and wanted to include Matterport as one of the offerings, I would probably lean heavily in the direction of a Pro 3 camera. And I would do that because it gives you the most versatility. Now, if you are somebody who has an account, like a classic account, which is an account that is grandfathered with rates for hosting that are definitely more beneficial, then you may want to consider buying another Pro 2, just because the rates are so good. So think about your use case. And then I think the third thing would probably be, is this the thing that you want to invest in right now? And that's a question for you as a business owner, because Matterport is a really great camera system. It has been a way for my company to sell additional services and to upsell services, and for us to create things like floor plans, or to be able to create digital twins. But the company is moving in a direction where a lot of the new features, such as the defurnish tool, such as being able to make a digital twin, you're going to need to study, because it's a lot more complicated now than it was a couple years ago. And so you can just use it right off the shelf and be able to jump right in. But I think that the mastery of the system, and I think using it as an expert in virtual tours, 3D scanning, digital twins, is going to come with time. So you should think about if this is something that you want to invest in, and if your business can also support having a monthly hosting fee regardless of what that hosting fee may be in the future, you're just going to want to have to build that into your business model to make sure that it makes sense. I hope you found this video helpful. There's going to be some great deals, of course, on Amazon and the Matterport store. Many people are recommending to have their Matterport fulfillment or the cameras purchased on Amazon anyway, because you can return them and then it's just they're doing a lot of the fulfillment from what I understand for Matterport anyway. So that's to say, get it at whatever retailer or online retailer that you like to use. But however, I do think that the Amazon bundles that they have for just over $5,200 US are a great deal for a Matterport starter kit. And you know, when you're not using it, you can rent it out. There's a lot of things that you can do with it that we've done with it. And I wish you all the best and all the success with your business and making an investment. Make sure to check the links below. I have some affiliate links if you want to use those to go check out the camera bundles that I'm seeing and at the prices that are available now. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. But if you landed here because you were looking at which camera I am promoting or that I'm endorsing for 2025 and moving forward, I think that you're not going to be let down by the Pro3, but you can certainly continue to use the Pro2 and hopefully build your business that way and then invest in it later if that's what your budget can support. So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much. I wish you all a wonderful day, and let me know if there's any questions I can help you with in the future. Make sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Thanks. Bye.